On today's How To with Southview, setting a navigation destination. From the home screen, highlight and click the navigation button using the touchpad. To locate a destination, highlight and click on the Find icon. To search a destination, go to the Search icon. Here, you can use a true touchpad using your natural writing and speed to enter the characters. No need to wait for the system to respond. To enter a space, swipe right. To make a correction, swipe left. As you enter the address, recommendations will come up. Click on the touchpad to make a selection. You can either click Go to start route or the destination to view location information. You can also use the keyboard icon by clicking the keyboard icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. In addition, you have a variety of navigation options, including browsing points of interest, viewing recent destinations, and you can also download addresses into your address book. You can also store your home address and your favorite locations. And that's today's How To with Southview.